How to create a free website on Google Sites. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a free website on Google Site and how you can make a very amazing domain website of your own using Google Sites. So let's get into the video. So here you can see that I have opened sites.google.com for me. You can access it from anywhere. It's a platform that is powered by Google and it allows you to create amazing websites without any cost, and you can get a domain for them as well. So here you can see that this is the main web page of Google Sites. So to start having or building your own website, you have some options. You can start with a blank website and you can drag and drop all of the possible tools and all the widgets and stuff from the options that are available, and you can build a completely new and unique website of yourself. Or you can start with a template. Let me show you the template gallery of Google Sites. So first of all, I have a portfolio, then I have a work website in which I have an event, help center, project or team. Then you have your small business websites, say like dog walker, holiday party, photo portfolio, restaurant. Then you have a salon and a wedding website as well. Then for the education, you have a class, you have a club and student portfolio. So these are all the templates that are available. What I would suggest for you is that if you're just getting started or if you're a beginner, then I would suggest you to start with a template when you are making a website, because a template gives you an idea of where what should be placed and how your website should look like. So you don't have to get into a lot of hassle of designing. You basically save yourself from that. But if you don't find anything relevant to what you want to create in these templates, then you can continue with the blank one, because I won't suggest you to ruin your own idea just because you want to follow the template. That's not the rule. You can do whatever you want. It's your own website, but at the end you must make sure that it looks good and it looks professional, because otherwise it won't be able to gather a lot of attention, because a website is basically representative of whatever you are selling or whatever you are. When a website is not good enough, then it basically takes down the whole authenticity of your business or yourself as well. So I'm just going to continue with the portfolio template right here, and I'm going to show you how you can edit it to be your own portfolio, or to make like your own portfolio in a very unique manner, and it won't be something that you have seen before. So first of all, you can see that this is the main website. This is the main template. So let me show you how it's gonna be. Okay, so this is where the name is gonna be. Then this is the picture of the person whose portfolio it is. Then you can add your name here. This is a small description of whoever you are. This is the home. Then you have an about section, a page of about. In there you have a header. In the about you have to add in all the details about who you are, your work experience, your education. It's like your CV. Then you have your project page. Whatever project you are working on or you have worked on previously, you can add all of those right here. So it will become a very fruitful portfolio for you. It will become a very good, a very extensive portfolio whenever a person sees that. So I'm just going on to home and I'm going to start editing this portfolio for myself. So here you can see that this is a picture of a person. So I'm just going to change it, obviously, because this is not what I want to add. So I'm just going to replace the image and I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to go into my pictures and I'm going to find a picture that I want to upload instead of this. Okay, so this is the picture that I want to upload instead of that. Okay, so here you can see that I've uploaded another picture. Now I have to add a name. I'm going to just go on and edit the name to here. Okay, so I've added my own name. So now you have home and you have about your project page. So here you can see that this is a very small header. If you want to add a header, you can see that this is how it's going to be like, and this is the header of your home. So you can change the name of home, the page home, to anything. Introduction, like this is the introduction. So I'm just going to add the name as introduction. Wait a second, drag it a little bit, drag it from this side. So here you can see that. Okay, so Jane Doe introduction, and this is a menu bar. So now I have a hi, I am this. Hi, I am Jane. Role from dash location. So I'm just going to hi, I am Jane. Okay, so here you can see that I am Jane, a student from Long Island. So you can change your description to anything that you want. This is just what I was just written. So I'm just going to go and roll with it. Then you have your selected work, name of presentation, name of project, or name of video. So if you have some very good works that you have done that you want to showcase right here, then you can add them here. This is a presentation format, this is a project format, this is a video. So you can add your videos, you can add your of documents, and you can also add your PPTs here as well. And get in touch at, you can add your email address right here. It will basically allow your viewers to get in touch with you if they want to, and they can send you a professional email if they want something to do with you. Moving on, you have about. In the about page, you can also add all of these images. You can change the image of this, then you can lead with impactful statement. You can basically describe yourself or your goals in these lines. Then you have your name of your clients who you worked with, or you can have your name of the persons who can give a testimonial about you that you're a good student or you're a good professional. Then you have your work experience, where have you worked, or your education, etc. So then you have your project page. So along with these things here, you can see that you have a couple of things that you can add. You have a text box. You can add a text box anywhere if you think like here a text is needed. You can add images, you can embed links, and you can also add drive. Then you have your content blocks. In the content blocks here, you can see you have a visual description of what it's going to be like. Then you have a picture here, you have a text here, you have 2 pictures and text below them. Then you have all of these pictures, you have 3 pictures, etc. So that you can add these content blocks and you can add content into them. Then you have a collapsible group, you have table of contents, image carousel, and button. So all of these things you can add. There are a couple of other things as well: divider, spacer, you have social links, you have placeholder, YouTube documents, etc. So you can add all of these things to make your portfolio look more good. Then you have your pages. If you think these are not enough, you can just click on this option and you can add a new page if you want to. And then you have your themes. You can change your theme anytime that you want. This is a simple that I'm using right now. Then you have Aristotle, diplomat, vision, level, impression. So you can change the theme if you want to as well, and it will change the theme of your whole website. So after you're done with anything, what you can do is you can undo and everything, and you can preview your website from this option right here. In the preview, you're gonna have different previews. You can see a more font preview, like this is how it's gonna look on phone. You can have a tablet preview, and then you have a desktop preview. After you are done with the preview, exit it, and then you can go on and share it with others. To share it, you have to publish your website first. When you click on that, you get to publish it. You have to choose the domain. In order to choose the domain, you have to add in the web address. For example, make it easy for people to visit you, who can view my site. Anyone can view your site. So sites.google.com. I'm going to say my portfolio. So this is the website. So here you can see that sites.google.com, view my portfolio 1 to 5. This is how your domain is going to look like. Just click on publish and it will be published. Now you can share it. You can just copy the link and you can share it anywhere that you want. And you can also share it from this option right here. And you can see that you can send it via email, or you can add different kind of your group of emails and you can send it to that. Here you can see that you can send a draft, or you can publish site to public. Okay, so here you can see that this is the portfolio that we have created, and this is how it looks. As I've told you, you can add different kind of things and you can complete the whole portfolio. After you're done with anything, you can see you have an option of insert here, which contains all of the elements that you can add onto your website when you're creating site with Google Sites. Then you have your pages. As I've told you, you just have to click on this option to add a new page. You can also add a new link. You can full page embed, and you can have a new menu selection. So full page embed will basically have a link embedded in the full page. So whenever a person clicks anywhere on that page, they're going to be directly linked to another website or another page where they will be redirected to. Then you have your theme. Okay, so right now the theme that we're using is this font style, which is very simple, and the color that we're using is in blue. So if you want to change the color, you just have to click on that and you can see that color has been changed. Now if you want to change the theme, you can also do that as well. Like for example, I'm switching from that to this Aristotle, and this is how it looks like now, and I can change it to diplomat or vision depending upon my own choice. So I'm just going to change it to vision, and I'm going to change the color to pink. So here you can see that now the whole portfolio has a very different kind of look to it, and it doesn't change the content that you have added, but it basically changed the whole representation of your portfolio. So after you're done with anything, you can preview your website by this option right here, and it is going to show you the different versions. So this is the desktop version of the website that I've created. You can also see the tablet version, and then there is a mobile version as well that you can see. So you can see that I'm just going to scroll down, and you can see this is how your website will look when you are using it in a mobile. So I'm just going to close that. After you're done, you just have to click on this option which says publish, or in you can just scroll down and review changes and publish and view publish site, or unpublish it at any time that you want. I'm just going to go on and publish it from this option. So when you publish it, what you're gonna get is you're going to get the link that you can copy and you can add it to anywhere, or you can share share it to anyone that you want, and you can also share it from this option right here of adding of adding different people to your website. So these are the two options of sharing. So Google Sites is a really great platform where you can get your website created domain free, and you don't have to pay anything for the domain. And I think that this works very well for all of the people, especially the ones who are just getting started into the business. So this is how you can basically build a website for free on Google Sites. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.